Hello, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Meat Bob, and today we're diving into more facts and stuff about Meat Grinder. Now, one of the first facts I want to point out is that Meat Grinder is confirmed only 3 seasons. And sorry if I sound like a little bit weird. I'm eating Fun Dip right now. So yes, Meat Grinder is confirmed 3 seasons, but that does come with some goodness, as in Elf Karate is most likely going to get a spin-off show called Elf Karate Before the Fame, where it talks about his role as a character before, like, the Meat Grinder stuff and a bit after it, and about his death and stuff. Spoilers to his death, by the way. I forgot to say that. But, that's one of the main things we really want to talk about. And also, in one of the early sketches of Meat Grinder, first of all, he was supposed to be a lot more mean and stuff, and dumb and not helpful at all, and he was supposed to be just, like, a random guy in the city who kind of made a muck out of things. Like, he tried to help, but just really didn't. And he was originally supposed to have a wife who was a mutant alien from the planet Nebra. And yes, that's really a real thing. But I just kind of wanted to tell you that Meat Grinder has only confirmed 3 seasons. 4th season is most likely not going to happen. And also, please subscribe to Little GG7. I'm not required to say that, but that is the actor, Grayson Studenti. That's the actor for Meat Grinder, and check out the other channels, such as the Meat Karate podcast. And Meat Grinder's favorite animal is ducks. I forgot to say that in the podcast. I said, like, a lion or something. His favorite animal are ducks. So, yeah. And also, there will be a Meat Grinder museum. So, yeah, that's about it. Subscribe.